Fidelity versus Morgan Stanley. Which one is better? Are you choosing between Fidelity and Morgan Stanley in 2025? Let's compare their services, fees, and ideal clients to help you decide. For an investment approach, Fidelity offers a blend of self-directed investing and advisory services, including commission-free trading and robo-advisors like Fidelity Go. Morgan Stanley focuses on high net worth individuals, providing personalized wealth management through dedicated financial advisors. For fees, Fidelity's robo-advisor Fidelity Go charges 0.35% annually, while its human advisor's fees range from 0.5 to 1.04%. Morgan Stanley's advisory fees can be higher, often around 1.5%, reflecting its premium services. For account minimums, Fidelity has no minimum balance requirement, making it accessible for most investors. But Morgan Stanley may require minimums up to $13 million for certain wealth management services. For customer support, Fidelity offers 24/7 customer service, online chat, and a comprehensive knowledge base. Morgan Stanley provides personalized support through its financial advisors, catering to clients seeking tailored advice. If you're a self-directed investor or prefer low fees, Fidelity is a strong choice. For personalized wealth management and high-touch services, Morgan Stanley stands out. So thanks for watching.